Hi and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are talking about finding the missing number in an array from 1 to n. And that is a regular asked interview question because they want to test your logical thinking in stress situations. Because usually that is, if you have a minute to think about it, a kind of easy task to solve. Well, the real question is how to find the missing number in an array from 1 to 10. And there is a bad solution. And that is, we sort the array and then we look for each number if it has its successor. Well, for sorting the array, we have an average runtime of n log n. And for finding the missing number, we have to go once through the array in worst case, so the runtime is there, n or n half in average case. So we come to an overall runtime of this solution of n half plus n log n in average case. Well, the better solution is that we use the Gaussian Sum Equation, which computes or calculates the sum of numbers from 1 to n. And that is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. And then we can actually compute the sum of our actual array. And since there is just one number missing, we can subtract this sum of our array of the Gaussian equation, or of the sum of what it should be if all numbers would be in it, and then we have automatically our missing number. So we just have a runtime of n, since we have to sum up all our numbers in the array. So let's implement that in Python. For that, I create a new Python file called missing number in array.python. And there I want size of the array, and there I say that is L, and I say my L is 100 here. Then I go in and say I want an array of all the numbers from 1 to 100. So we go in and say our array is equal to, and there range 1, 2, and here the 100 is not included, so we have to say L plus 1 here. And since we want to have it in a list and not in a range object, we can do it like this with this list notation. Then I actually want to shuffle my array. So I say r.shuffle. Oh no, actually we need here the Python package random, because random has a function called shuffle. So we say import random, and then we go in here and say random.shuffle, and we do that on our array. The next thing I want is to have a number that we delete from our array. So let's comment that here quick, generate and shuffle the array. And then we want our number, so we say missing index equals to random.randint, and there we give our 1, 2, and here we see both endpoints are included, so we can use L here. Alright. And actually we want from 0 to L, and we need to use L minus 1, because from 0 to 99 are exactly 100 in numbers. Alright, so we have this, then we say array of our missing number or missing index is equal to 0. And before, I just want to print quick what we delete. So I say print, and there I say our missing index, and I want the missing number. Dot format, and there I use missing index, and then I want array and our missing index before we delete it. Now we deleted it, now we can actually compute our Gaussian sum. So I say gsum here, and that is equal to L times, and there I want L plus 1 divided by 2. And then we need to create the sum of our array. So I say rsum, and rsum is equal to 0. And then I say for I in range length. And here we can use our L. So we go from 0 to 99, and I say rsum plus equals, and then I want array I. So we compute there our sum of the array, and then we have our missing number equals to gsum. That is the sum what it should be if the number is not missing, minus our array sum. And then we can say here print missing number, and we say dot format, and here we say missing number. Alright, and when we run that now, it should work. And here we have missing index is 38. Our missing number at this index before we delete it is 30. And our missing number we computed is also 30. So that works fine. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and tell me down in the comments below what you think about this video. I'm really excited about every subscriber here, so subscribe to the channel if you want to get informed whenever I'm uploading new videos. That's it for me today. Have a great day. Bye.